The evidence of verification of marks captured on the electronic system by virtue of electronic system printouts must be included in the lecturer's assessment file. In the ICASS Pre-Assessment Quality Assurance tutorial video on edusyms, we go over the internal continuous assessment policy guidelines as well as print the test register or mark record sheet, which is useful in this tutorial. Assuming you've watched the video on internal continuous assessment policy guidelines on pre-assessment quality assurance on edusyms and are now familiar with the internal continuous assessment policy guidelines, you're ready to go. Let's get this party started. In the following video tutorial, I will be taking you on a quick one to capture internal continuous assessments and calculate year marks. Go to Academic, then Subject Groups, then select the term you're working on. From the list of displayed subjects, click on the folder icon on the far right of the subject to open the Subject Group Management menu. Select Tests and Assignments from the Manage Subject Group menu. To begin capturing marks for that specific test, click the green icon with a circled tick on the far right of the test title. Enter the mark as it appears on the mark control sheet in the score field, add a remark, and then click Save Results. After capturing Test 1 and Test 2, select Exam Results from the Manage Subject Group menu to begin the year mark calculation process. On your top left section, just below the title Exam Results, click on the green filter icon located in front of the exam type titled Final Exam. Select Mid-Year Exam from the drop-down menu to change the exam type and click OK. Navigate to the far right and click on Enter Marks, which is next to the print icon. Click Load from Tests from the Exam Results entry window. Please keep in mind that the Load from Tests procedure will overwrite any previous results for all students. Load tests from the Load from Tests window. Select your Continuous Assessment CA and Final Assessment FA from the list of assessments displayed. Begin by selecting Test 1 for your continuous assessment and Test 2 for your final assessment. Enter 30 in the CA weight percentage field. The system will automatically display 70 in the grayed out FA weight percentage field, and then click on Load Results to confirm. Please double-check that your records are correct and that the information you've entered here is correct. Remarks will be drawn from the previous final assessment's comments. Finally, click the Save Results button. The results have been successfully saved. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in the next one.